What is this? Capital A, B, C, D. Some small letters have gone missing. कुछ small A, B, C, D, E, F, G जो letters है ना वो missing है और वो चले गए हैं in that sanctum. You have to find. Go and find. Let me see which letter did you find. Show me which letter is this. N. Very good. Where is capital N? Place it near that. Very good. Very good. Now find another letter. Go. Alishba, which letter is this?
K.
K. Where is capital K? Very good. Very good. Good girl. Find another one. Let's see what you find. Very good. Which letter is this? G. G. Where is capital G? Place it correctly. Very good. Go and find. ढूंढो ढूंढो बहुत सारे लेटर्स हैं उसमें ढूंढो. Put your hand inside. Which letter is this? No, this is not V. This is
Y.
Very good. Now find where is capital Y. Very good. Very good. Good girl. Class for Alishka.